Hey you guys. Okay, so today I have so many great new items to share with you. Some things that I have gotten over the last couple weeks, and you know, when I shop for clothing, I rarely will go out and just say, oh, I just need a shopping day. Let me just go get what I can find. I've always kind of been like this throughout my life. I have an idea in my head of what I want, or, you know, like certain seasons, you know, like I'm just shopping for this type of thing or that type of thing, as we all do. But right now I'm very much in the mode of, I want like wearable, like easy to put together spring outfits, a few new dresses. You know, so anyways, I grabbed a few things. This is gonna be like super overwhelming. I got a few new jumpsuits. This one's from Target. I have something to say. Okay, we're gonna get into that in a second. A few other items, pair of shoes, and some really cute dresses. So we're just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna try on. So I did cut my hair. I mean, listen, I'm the most low maintenance hair person. I washed it last night, put it in a towel, and slept on it and just like let it air dry, and then woke up and this is what we're dealing with. Like, I'm not like a barrel curl kind of girl. I was, you know, 10 years ago. I have not been like, you know, on that route for a while. And I think it really changed when I had Olivia. You know, that makes sense. Like 8 years ago, you know, like I feel like I got smarter about like my routine. I just, you know, for years, I'm just an easy, low maintenance hair kind of girl. And I don't even want to say it's the trend or the style, but I just don't think that's the vibe anymore for me personally. Sure, there's gonna be times when I like do have some time and I do want to spend a little extra time on my hair, and I might like throw a little wave in there or something. But you know, I'm not doing the most every day like we did, like I said, a decade ago. It's just not my style any longer. It's a little too much, but I pick and chose what was important to me. I like to do my makeup. If I got a full face and I can do it in 10 minutes, if I can do it in 5 minutes, as we can, because you know we've talked about this, I'd rather do that, throw my hair in a ponytail, and be on my way. And so this was important to me. So it was about down to my boobs. So it was, I mean, it was a pretty good bit off, but it's blunt. There's no changes, and like it doesn't get longer in the front. It's just literally a blunt, easy, like cut. It's so lightweight. It feels really good. And you know, there's just no styling required, as you can tell. And you know what? I think the whole undone, like not imperfect, but just normal ass hair, like let's just embrace it. You know what I mean? Like, gone are the days of like the 17-piece extensions and the hair, which is great. And I mean, trust me, like I like that look. I like that look too, okay? But let's like embrace what we got, you know, and just go with the ease. But anyways, this length was important to me because I wanted to be able to still do my mom bun or ponytail. I can still put it in a little bunaroo, which I'm thinking for this video. And y'all, this does not require a tutorial. It's literally a ponytail, and then you just pull. That's what I do like every day. It's not a big deal, okay? And then you tuck the little tail, which now my little tail is very tiny. And it's nice because as your hair gets longer, you can wrap it around, you know, like the hair tie. But that's, I don't really care, just as long as it can go into a little flip. So, okay, let's get into it, you guys. So these items are from all over. Should I move this chair? No, actually, it's not in the way. I went to Target the other day, and you heard my whole like Stanley Tumbler rant on the podcast. I mean, it's a whole thing. You guys know if you follow me on Instagram. It's gone too far. We've all lost our minds. But let's talk about this. Not about the cup itself, okay? I'm not like judging people that have it. I'm judging the flex of it all. It's a very okay. So, anyways, this is a cute little lookaroo. This is from Target. I saw this and I thought it was cute. And what did I spilled something on it. Okay, so it's kind of like that like washed looking, almost like denim vibe. I'll link to my necklaces. I'm still loving this cross, and this is one of my favorite necklaces ever. These are so beautiful. They come in all different colors. But anyway, so just easy breezy, cool. And that's what I was saying about like spring outfits. I really want to have things that I can just throw on. I live for a jumpsuit. I just wanted something that was like just easy and breezy. And these come in a bunch of different colors, and I really like the back. I think this is so cool. And I got a medium, but I think I could have done a small. I definitely, but I don't know. So pretty true to size. So I would say don't like get scared and size up. I don't think you can go wrong, but it's nice. It has a little elastic at the waist. And this I just thought was super, super cute. Before I get into some other things, let me show this real quick. This was what I was wearing in my Instagram post a few days ago. I've had this for a while. I haven't shown it, but this is such a good sweatshirt. It's really cute. I love Anita Bing. And sweatshirts, again, if you're going to spend money on something, that is not a seasonal thing. I wear sweatshirts year round, and I think that's a really good one. So this dress is more so like, I would just say like the perfect spring, summer, like event type of dress, from like showers to any types of like event. I mean, you know, there's all kinds of stuff, and like weddings. I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors ever. And just the material is so nice. It's got really pretty buttons on the back. I think I only got one when I was doing it. But anyway, it's just such a beautiful color. And I like how you can see, like, can you see it through there? My little cross necklace, you know, you can, I don't know, it's just comfortable. And you know, when I first got this, I thought, is it gonna be too short? Is it gonna be one of those dresses that like feels like, ugh? It's so comfortable. It's flattering, but it's like one of those that you could also like move and like eat in and not feel like you're zipped up. And then with it, I don't know if you could see my shoes, but these are those shoes that we talked about in so many, I feel like I've talked about these so much. I got them in black and in this color, and they're so beautiful. They're not super high. They're so comfortable. The illusion that this slingback creates pulls your foot up even higher to make it seem like it's a higher heel, but it's so, so comfortable. And the width is good, and I have pretty wide feet. Grab these. These are so good. I have them in black and in nude. Oh, before we go further, I am going to return this, okay? This is an item that I'm going to return. And normally I'm not wasting my time to show you something that I'm going to return, but this is fully a really, really good item. It's just not good for me because I'm just not the cutest in hat situation. I love, first of all, okay, now I have like a bunch of like cheap hats that I wear around the pool or a visor. This is that brand that makes those really beautiful like headbands, the Lili Sadugi, I think. Comes with a really nice dust bag. It's a nicer hat. It's not crazy expensive, but it is a little more expensive than like your average hat. But what I like is that, I'm gonna return this, it's like disgusting. Now look, I have a massive head, okay? At first I was like, this is how most hats look when I get them. Like, and like you see all these little, you know, girls that look so cute in their hats. And here I am, straight up like that, because I got a big old noggin. Now, I love a hat, but it comes in like a men's size. Now this though, I will say, has a little bit of a stretch to it, so I can push it down. Am I gonna sell myself on this and keep it? I don't know. I just thought, Tiffany, this isn't cute enough to keep for that. You're just not the cutest in a hat. What do we think? I just don't have the face to pull off like okay, a ball cap or something, sure. But when the hat is the moment, I just feel like a little old man in a hat. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm just a little, like that's what I feel like when I wear a hat. Now I don't think I would be like, this would be great though, but oh man, now I think I'm gonna keep this. This, you know what, when I tried this on yesterday, I didn't look this cute. So, but listen, when I go to the pool or when I'm just like wanting, I'm not gonna be dressed up cute. I'm not gonna have makeup on. And then I'm gonna look like the little old man in a hat with no facial feature. You know what I'm saying? You put on a hat and suddenly like all of your features are gone and all you see is a big hat and all of your like everything that you're not crazy about, all the bad angles of your face. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's just, what is that about a hat? Okay. Well, the hat draws attention to your head. So should I keep this? Do I look like a douche? That's what I think when I wear a hat. I'm always like, am I trying too hard? What message is this sending? Like, am I a responsible mom trying to keep like the sun out of my face? Or do I think this is like a moment? Which I think I'm the latter. Otherwise I wouldn't have spent so much on a dang hat. I would have just stuck with my like Walmart hats that are just fine. But every now and then I want to get fancy. I'm I'm keeping this hat. Keeping it. Keeping it. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. Okay. Keeping it. And I do, if you've got a big old noggin like me, that hat, like, you'll be scared at first, but it stretches down. All right, well, I'm glad this was not a shtick. I fully had that in a return pile, and I thought, ooh, that's a nice hat. Someone's gonna look real cute in that hat. I'll show it to him, and then I'll return. I'm not returning it, I'm keeping it. Okay, let's move on. Okay, oh, before I show you the other things, I did get a pair of, I thought these were Birkenstocks, but they're not. They're Papilio, but I think it's by Birkenstock. You know what? It is, because it says Birk on the bottom. I don't know. They're cheaper than Birkenstocks. They have a little bit of a platform to them. Years ago, I had this vibe in a silver, and I really liked it. But these are a little more updated, and you guys know my foot saga. This foot's still bigger, because like when it healed, the tissue, like made all the scar tissue. I need an arch support. That's my problem. And so I put on like my Birkenstock, my little Boston flippin' clogs the other day, and I thought, oh, this is what I want to live in all the time. But and then these, did you just hear that? I didn't too. Like it, Birkenstocks make really unflattering noises. Anyone like me that graduated like in the early 2000s and lived through the late 90s, where Birkenstock Boston clogs were all that we wore with our wide leg jeans. They had to stick out just that much. My mom, I'm sure, thought I was fully insane, because I remember going to the Birkenstock store, like by Town Center. There was this little Birkenstock store, or we'd go to Journeys, and I would wear out those Boston clogs like in 7th, 8th grade. Then I would get another pair, and that was like a shoe. Those, and do you remember the Timberland boots back in the day? Those were shoes I would like wear out and get new pairs, and I remember feeling so fancy. Like my mom would take me to get them, and they were like $60, and I'd be like, you know, fully like, that's a nice pair of shoes. They are so ridiculous. And I think, what? And no one can find them. Again, it's like the Stanley tumbler of shoes. That's not how I feel about that. Can you see these? Probably not. Can you see them? These are good, okay? These are so good. And I'm gonna be living in these, and ow! I had to, this is the wider foot, especially like when I have that little problem. I can make this part bigger, because that's where I need the, you know what I'm saying? It's a good shoe. I think I remember mentioning these last video. They hadn't come in yet, but oh, aren't they so good? They're the beige version of the black ones that I wore so much last year. So, it's that. Okay, so this is another one of those, like, not so much like the last dress, which was more so like an event type of dress. You know, this is one of those like throw it on, comfortable kind of dresses, but a little elevated. It's got this slit. This is going to be so cute for the summertime. It'd be so cute for a vacation, but it is just the most comfortable material. Throw it on, put your hair in a ponytail, throw it on with flip-flops, and go wherever you need to go. You could put on heels with it and dress it up for nighttime. I love a versatile dress like this, and I love something that I'm comfortable in. It's just so comfortable. And even the slit, it comes up like, it's not too high. It's like the length of a normal like short dress, so you don't feel too exposed. Okay, so obsessed with this. This is one of those like, okay, hi, like this is what I'll be wearing all spring and summer, and I want to get the other colors now. I love this brand. I've had a lot of things by this brand. Okay, so I love like a red. I love this red, okay? And I've said that over the years. A little dress, a little like, you know, top or something. But I just think it's really flattering, very cute for this time of year. And I want to get it in the other colors. I like the little details. It's not like metal, so it's not like hitting you, but it's just like a little thread. Okay, so we get it. We get it. This is a good outfit. Really, really cute. It's kind of cinched at the bottom. Can you see the bottom? It's got some little pockets. This is like one of the best friend closet item, okay? You'll be wearing this all the time. Okay, this was a dress that I got on a whim. I don't think I've had an all denim situation in a very long time. Here's what I like about this. When I ordered it, I thought this is gonna go like one way or another. Like, I don't know. I was honestly really on the fence about this. It's very soft, very stretchy denim. I probably could have even sized down another size, but when I have a bra on with it, I mean, I don't know. Maybe it'll... But I think it's good, because, I mean, that's what I was worried about. I was worried it was going to be, like, too constricting. But actually, the straps are adjustable, so I think I should adjust the strap. But I think it's good. I think it's fine. It's got a little bit of a cutout situation on the side, not too much. Just really kind of cute. And actually, I'm kind of glad that I didn't get it so skin tight, just because Something like this, I think, can look a little, you know, like, you know, a little much, a little quick. So I think that it's a little oversized, not oversized, but it's not so like, you know. But anyways, really cute. This really surprised me. This is the first time I've tried it on. I'm truly trying on most of these things for the first time on the video. And I'm just, this is cool. Okay, so there's that. And again, I'll link to everything, put my sizes. And with this, I just have on these Prada sandals. This is very kind of like a 90s vibe. And I think that's why I really like, I like Prada, but I like that brand. It's a very kind of, you know, it's a 90s, just reminds me of the 90s. Okay, but here we are. Very cute. Really love this dress. Okay, this may be one of the coolest items I've ever, this is a Norma Kamali, another jumpsuit, but it's like you can wear it, like this is the, well, okay, so this is like the version that's a skirt. Mine are like that, like mine's like this. Pants. So good. Okay, but the top, you can get, I haven't done mine yet, so that's why it's hanging. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. So you can, here's the sleeves. You can put the sleeves on it and have like a little off-shoulder sleeve moment for like, you know, warmer weather, colder weather. Tie the sleeves in the back. And you've got like basic A jumpsuit, okay? You can, how do they do this? Ooh, mama. Oh yeah, okay. Tie it like that. That's cute. Okay, this is how. Hold on, this is how I want to wear it. So where did this go? I will say, I've had this for a while, and I usually am not like, okay, I don't really need like a learning curve to like wear a garment. Oh God, like I don't have to learn how to do this. What are the other ways? This is the way I want to wear it. I may not even wear it any other way. Lady has it like off the shoulder. She kind of like drooped it and then tied it back here. Okay. So exciting. Okay. Guys, it's been real. I really hope that you guys are doing well. I really had fun spending time with y'all today, and hopefully this inspired you to find some fun things for spring. And maybe, you know, I don't know how that sounded at the beginning about hair and stuff. Not like shaming anyone that does their hair. Honestly, like fully, I, for years, would wake up and had to curl my hair every day. For years. Like, I didn't feel like I was done unless my hair was curled. But it's just like how your perspective changes. And, you know, maybe let go of something. Maybe say, you know what, I'm gonna embrace, you know, what my hair wants to do naturally. Or I'm not gonna like spend so much time to do what makes you happy. But you know, there might be a way to just, you know, let go of some of that expectation of having your hair look perfect all the time, and you might embrace something new and find more time to do your makeup or something. I don't know. But anyways, I hope that you guys are doing well. I'll link to everything I talked about, and I will talk to y'all very soon. Bye, y'all.